Good morning, guys. It's me again, your boy. It's me again. Welcome back to America Family. I hope you like this. So today I want to take you through the kitchen. This is our kitchen and our bathroom, and also where we put our chicken, because we have several projects. So here is our kitchen, and as you can see, it's just a simple village life kitchen. This is where we cook, and it's so rainy right now, as you can see. So we are at the farm, and behind there is the farm, so you can see all through there. And here is the kitchen. So let me take you through. So here is where this one, as you can see, is a wooden house for the chicken. And I think, let me see if you can see inside. So this is how it is inside. You put some charcoal dust so that you cannot feel the cold. And this is just normal piece of wood that you have constructed. And then, as you can see, here is the entrance. Here is the entrance where we put the foods, and currently you can see it's so cold, very cold in here. But it's a good house. It can host very many chicken. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but it can host very many chicken. That's the second one. The third one, this is the bathroom. I think, let me take you from this side. That is a simple bathroom that has been destroyed by the rains, but we're going to make it better. I'll do a video, if you want. I'll do a video on how to create modern, not modern, but a village bathroom using these using these ones, using these ones, and how to bathe in that bathroom. And most of you requested about the bathroom, but I'm going to do the African village life bathroom, how to bathe and everything. The soap that we use is very different from the one that you buy from the shop. I hope you like the video. So, and also I'll be showing you how to plant the vegetables, because I've already prepared the bed. Rather, I've already prepared the farm just behind there. And currently it's still rainy, so see you later. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. And this is Emeleka Family. Emeleka Family, African village life. Peace.